Are you tired of endlessly searching for that smooth drum fill that'll fit your transitions perfectly and make your tracks flow? Introducing Super Heavy Power Drum Fills Sample Pack. 3 categories: Super Vibey fills for super energetic and exciting transitions, FX fills with an interesting processing for sophisticated transitions, Spacious Fills for huge cinematic transitions, $100 drum fills and a free premium edition. A drum fill creator's kit with 575 sounds for you to create your own drum fills. Kicks, snares, perks, toms, flams, stomps, and many more. Each of them designed carefully with precision. And if not for creating drum fills, you can always use these sounds in your songs as one-shots to add energy and power. With this pack, you'll be able to add flow and energy to your songs and turn your boring, steady tracks into interesting and moving ones. Everything's drag and drop, easy to use with no tweaking necessary. Simply target a part of the track that you want to transition from and drag and drop a desired fill at the end of it to create a perfect transition. All sounds are royalty-free and in a lossless format of WAV 24-bit, guaranteeing the highest sound quality possible. Get the pack now at oversampled.us and make your tracks transition and flow like never before.